Alright, we're doing the 2021 SE Fast Ripper bike check. So first of all, we got the big honkins. We got the ODIs. We got a 10 gear shifter. I love this seat. This seat's the best, especially for combos. I have pegs right now. I'm not running any pegs. They come with metal pedals. It's got gears. It's a Fast Ripper. It's also got the Melbourne Bike Crew loom bands. And so yeah, it's a nice bike. I totally recommend it for even beginning out. It's such a good bike. And I'll give you some tips from here. If you're trying to learn, you want to tilt your seat like not as much, but just want to tilt it enough that like when you're in the air, it's like flat. And yeah, I got a lot of the Melbourne Bike Crew because I live in Melbourne. I'm gonna get some Maxie's hookworms. Yep. It's got some hydraulic gears. Brakes. Came with them. I didn't put any on them. Yep. Alright. I'm add some clips.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white. Lights out, then you ride a sled down. I just want that